So one of the first things that we did here was to put both solar heating and also wood fire heating into the main hot water system. So the main hot water system's in the roof behind me, and it already had the connections for solar panels, and it also had connections for what's called a wetback on a wood fire, although neither of those things were in place. So the first thing that we did is we actually got evacuated tubes, as you can see on the roof behind me, and we wanted 40 tubes. Unfortunately, at that time there was only 30 tubes was the biggest panel, so we got another 10 to put beside it, and hence that's why it's in two pieces. But so those are connected up to a low pressure 400 litre water tank in the roof behind them, and you might notice that they're on a bit of a slope, and that's because there is no pump on this system. It's just a thermosiphon. So as the water in the header of the evacuated tubes heats up, of course it goes, it gets less dense, it goes uphill and goes into the tank, and the cooler water from the tank, from a lower outlet, comes back into the bottom of the header, and that's how it heats the water just from the sun. We'll see later inside also the wet flue that connects to the same tank, and in the first year that this was connected, we had zero boosting, and really from the sun and from the wood fire it provided 100% of our hot water.